Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you 6 different ways I use Totally Dazzled to decorate my home. Now, the first way I love to use Totally Dazzled, of course, is on a tablescape in my napkin rings. They have an array of styles that I absolutely love to use. It just takes my tablescapes up to the next level. And see, I embellished this napkin ring in the middle with, again, Totally Dazzled, giving that unexpected Now, the next way I love to use Totally Dazzled in my home, on window panels. This adds a little more bling to my space. And to add pizzazz to DIYs, I also love to use Totally Dazzled bling. I also love dressing out candles using Totally Dazzled. Taking a simple white candle, wrapping it with ribbon, and hot gluing a brooch or flat back on the candle. This gives an elegant touch to your home. I also love to hot glue their brooches to a picture frame. And in their picture frame, I love to place some of their inspirational cards in them. Like this one, Happy Girls Shine Brighter. And lastly, I love to embellish my pillows. I have a love of pillows, and if I can add a touch of bling to it, I will. And I've done this to several of my pillows. And I'm going to share with you this beautiful blush pink pillow with the brooch hot glued in the center. So I just wanted to share with you ways that Totally Dazzled can be used in home decor. Not just for events, weddings and parties, but it can be used in your everyday life. And that's why I love them so much. Are you a Totally Dazzled fan? Let me know down in the description box below. And also let me know, do you use Totally Dazzled in your home decor? I would love to know. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here. And I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. And I also have an Amazon store where I add merchandise on a weekly basis. You can shop 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for beautiful home decor and home essentials. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. And to all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I am so blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.